What up, fellow gamers? This is Keo Dyken here to bring you some exciting news from the Cronuszen community. First and foremost, we have a new Zen firmware update 2.2.0 and Zen Studio update 1.5.0. If you're not familiar with how to update your Cronuszen, please make sure you look at my playlist in the previous video that shows you how to take advantage of all of that. It's been very busy right now for the Cronuszen team and for the Christmas season. As you guys didn't know, the Cronuszen is my favorite gaming adapter. But with that, we also have some additional new updates that we're going to cover that's going to make your gaming a lot easier and your adaptation for the PlayStation 5 a lot smoother as well. So for the first time, the Zen team is bringing the first non-beta release firmware 2.20 and the Zen Studio update to the whole community. This will not be a beta release for people who aren't familiar with it. This will be a non-beta release for pretty much that is open to the community. So pretty much some of the new updates include new PS5 DualSense and DualSense Edge Bluetooth support. No USB authentication controller is needed, so that's brand new and groundbreaking. New PS5 users must disable Bluetooth settings, etc. and for accessories, general advanced settings, and make sure you turn off the Bluetooth. Improved PlayStation 5 DualSense and DualSense Edge USB support will also be included, as well as console support as well. PS5 wired headset support is going to be USB only. I know some of you in the Cronuszen group and also Discord have asked about this. Those have been improved upon and those updates have been added. The Zen team has also added support for PS5 mute button and get valuations with the mute. You can also set your valuations however you would like them. There's also a new PS5 output protocol, which also includes or adds additional stability to your gameplay as well. Additionally, analog SIM and MK hip movement control has also been added. The new Zen Studio installer with a fresh startup splash screen. That's going to be pretty cool for most of you. If you guys are familiar with your Zen Studio, it just has a basic startup, but now you're going to get a new splash screen video included with that. There was a previous issue with saving your memory to a slot caused the device a disconnected error. That has been addressed as well. Some of the other fixes include the memory slot synchronization condition when opening a GPC script, performance issues with the code folding feature. Some other updates and things that they have fixed is the Cronuszen to be considered unresponsive. I think that's happened with Xbox and also Sony, or for some of those of you who are using this with your PC, so that will no longer be an issue. A couple of other things that have been fixed as well as the lead to endless loops while using the do while loop, as well as compiling 32-bit multi-dimensional arrays. Fix the issue with settings, and you guys can go ahead and upload or update your settings and scripts. Just perform a hard reset beta on the chronosmax.com, and then make sure you update your bootloader mode as well. Then of course you can update your firmware. Again, we have videos on how to do all of this. And additionally to that, after they released this update, which was part of the Christmas special, actually the Black Friday special a couple of weeks ago, the Zen team did discover an error with the PS5 controller not being able to recognize your microphone if you are wired in. So they have fixed that. They are working on a solution to resolve that as quick as possible. No, actually, no, I'm sorry. That has been fixed, rather. So now you can go ahead, plug in your wired headset with your PlayStation 5 controller and take advantage of all of that good gaming glory. I will be back with some additional updates, but the Cronuszen is definitely doing everything that it can. You can still get one of these devices right now for $99. However, the Cronuszen team does have several different packages available, standard, upgraded, and extended, if you need them to do the white glove treatment, which is set up all the scripts and everything for you. For those of you who do not have internet access, the team is ready, willing, and able to assist you. And it also includes with a extended warranty, which has a $29.99 value. But with that being said, I hope you guys all have a great Christmas. These are some great new updates for those of you who have had problems in the past connected to your Xbox and primarily your PlayStation 5, hooking in some of your additional gaming accessories. So the disconnection, the headset, the authorization with also being able to download and have stay worry-free with some of these issues have all been fixed. And as always, they are looking for additional things that they can improve upon, but make sure you like and subscribe so I can keep you guys updated with everything going on with the Cronuszen. Like and subscribe. I will catch you guys later. You guys all have a great day. Peace out. Bye-bye.